Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In the fast-paced world of industrial operations right here in the kingdom, it's often the smallest, most overlooked risks that can cause the biggest disasters. Today, we're going to dive into one of those risks and explain how the right partnership, not just the right product, is the real key to protecting your projects.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll pinpoint a really common danger on your site. Then, we'll break down the true operational cost of just a single incident. After that, we'll introduce the tool that's engineered to solve this. And most importantly, we'll explain our unique advantage as your local partner. We'll wrap it up by showing you why this is about investing in a complete solution.
All right, let's jump right in. Section 1, the everyday lifting risk. We're talking about a danger that's hiding in plain sight on pretty much every industrial site across the kingdom.
I want you to just take a second and think about your own operations. It doesn't matter if you're on a drilling rig, a construction site, or managing a plant. What's that one hazard that happens so often it's almost become invisible? The one you and your team walk past every single day?
It's this, simple manual lifting. Things like handling pup joints, sections of pipe, or other heavy equipment. It's a daily task, especially in oil and gas and construction. But it carries the very real risk of bringing your entire operation to a sudden grinding halt.
And that leads us right into our next section, the true cost of injury. Because a single incident isn't just another safety report to file. It's an operational disaster just waiting to happen. And here's the number you really need to remember. 1. That's it. It just takes one injury to a key member of your team, and a critical part of your project can come to a dead stop. The impact isn't delayed, it's immediate, and it's severe.
The consequences ripple out way beyond that one person. All of a sudden, you're looking at critical downtime. That immediately pushes your project timelines back. Your company's hard-earned safety record takes a serious hit. And then, of course, come the expensive medical bills and logistical headaches, all on top of losing a skilled, valuable member of your team. This isn't just a safety issue, it's a massive business problem.
Now, when you've got a major business problem on your hands, waiting weeks for support or a replacement part from some supplier overseas, well, that's just not a solution. Your operation can't afford to just sit and wait. And this, right here, is exactly where we at AskA Solution are completely different.
So, this brings us to the solution. Let's talk about a tool that's built for modern safety, the Manual Lifting Handling Aid.
Okay, so what is it exactly? Well, it's a specially engineered safety tool. This isn't just some simple strap. No, it's designed for coordinated, two-person team lifts, and it has one primary mission: to prevent the very hand, finger, and back injuries that cause all that expensive downtime we just talked about. Now, let's quickly look at the specs that prove its performance. It has a working load limit of 100 kilos, but check this out, an incredible 7-to-1 safety factor. That means it's built to withstand 7 times its rated load. That's some serious peace of mind. It's made from tough, high-tensile polyester webbing, it's fully CE marked to meet international standards, and its whole design is ergonomic, forcing a correct, safe lifting posture every single time. I mean, this slide really shows you the difference perfectly. On the left, with bare hands, you've got a huge risk of crush injuries and awful posture that leads to back strain. But on the right, with the lifting aid, you take direct hand contact out of the equation. You encourage the right posture, and you get efficient, coordinated team lifts. The advantage isn't just something you see, it's a fundamental upgrade to your safety culture.
But here's where things get really interesting, because the tool itself is only half the story. Let's talk about the AskA's advantage and why who you buy from right here in the kingdom matters more than anything else. Taib, so you can probably buy this part from anyone. The product is available out there. But what you buy from us at AskA Solution is the complete solution and long-term peace of mind. First, we're an Aramco approved and ISO certified partner. That's your absolute guarantee of quality here in the kingdom. Second, we give you top quality genuine products at competitive prices. Third, we deliver kingdom-wide. Dammam, Jeddah, you name it, we get it there. Fourth, we don't just drop a box at your door. We offer full turnkey service and expert guidance. And finally, and this is the most important part, our partnership comes with lifetime local support right here in Saudi Arabia.
This chart really visualizes the true value. Look, buying just the product gets you part of the way there, sure. But buying that same product backed by the AskA Solution partnership, that gives you the complete 100% value. The expert advice, the local support, the fast deployment, and the assurance that your operation is truly protected.
So,
let's wrap this up with our core message. This is all about having a real partner here in the kingdom and making that smart choice to invest in a complete solution, not just a piece of hardware.
So here is our promise to you. Don't just buy a product. Invest in a complete safety solution from an Aramco-approved partner who truly understands your challenges and is right here on the ground to support you every single step of the way.
Shukran, we're ready to help your operations succeed and to make your safety record even stronger. Get in touch with us today for a technical consultation. We really look forward to becoming your trusted partner in safety and success.